Okay, you guys, today we are going to be refreshing Layton's fade design. He likes cool designs in the side of his head. He likes the cool, fun new haircuts. I've been cutting his hair since he was about 2.5. He is now 6. So we're going to show you guys today what we do and how to cut his cool designs in his head. And what kind of cape would you like? What do we get?
I like the emoji.
Your favorite cape? Okay. So Layton's pretty used to this. Like I said, I've been cutting his hair a long time now. He's usually really good about holding still. And so what we do here is, since we're not cutting all of his hair today,
I cried a lot when I was a baby.
Yes, he did.
Really little.
He cried a lot. He did not like his haircuts, and he does not know how privileged he is. No, we don't do that. To get his haircuts. He's very lucky he has a mom for a stylist, and I think he'll appreciate that when he's 30. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to do this real quick. He has a cool little zigzag line going here, and I'm just going to refresh that, and we'll show you guys how we do it. You know, to hold very still, right? Okay, this is how we refresh Layton's cool designs on his face. You know, to hold really still.
I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house is inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate.
As you can see, kind of got it going right there.
It's hard to open up. Open you up like fuck. Open up, tear you out for let your emotions fall open. Open up.
Can I say something?
Open up.
Can I say we can make
Okay, so as you can see, we're almost getting there, but there's this cool little design. He's really good. He helps me out by holding still. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't be able to do this.
And when it puts this thing around, it kind of itches my head.
Yes, he definitely doesn't like to be itchy.
I don't like hair going down my shirt.
So there we have it. There is Layton's refresh little cut zigzag line we do. We are going to show you, after we do Layton's haircuts, how we style and one of his favorite styles. So Layton, what is one of your most favorite styles we like to do?
Mohawks.
He likes to do mohawks. So
and spiky.
And he likes it spiky. So we got, as you can see, his cool designs are all done. He had a fade not very long ago, so he's got a pretty fresh haircut still.
I wore the spikes to school for pictures.
He likes his spikes. So we're going to show you what we do. We do the Big Sexy Gel, hard hold blue hair gel, and I preferably like to do it when his hair is dry. For some reason, it seems to work a lot on my hair clients and him as well. So all we do is get it standing up. We run the gel through. And he likes it kind of mushed together and messy. He's got pretty cool hair. He's definitely one of my #1 advertisements for haircuts. And we kind of show off his sides.
Mom, is this the soft?
Yep. And Layton doesn't really like super hard holding gel, but we kind of have to use a little bit of a hard one for his styles to stay all day. He is a 6-year-old boy and likes to play and run and get crazy, but usually by the end of a school day, we still got the same hairdo we had when he left, so that's always good. And so kind of like that, right, bud? Mm-hmm. And once in a while, we will hairspray it, or I will take a blow dryer to it and kind of dry the gel and hold it up. But usually that's what we do, is just run the hair gel through like that. Show him your side like that. And then he's got his fade over here.
Can I go like this to school?
Yep, and he wants to wear it like this to school tomorrow. And that's how we do it, right, Layton?
Yep.
What do you think?
Good.
We do a good job?
Yeah.
All right.